Which option can SHA security be used with? Option A. X.509 certificates only. Option B. All IBM Domino certifiers. Option C. S/MIME signed mail only. Option D. X.509 certificate signature verification and S/MIME signed mail. The correct answer is option D. John is configuring federated login for his IBM Notes users. Where does he store the metadata.xml file that he receives from the identity provider, IDP? Option A. The ID Vault. Option B. The IDP Catalog. Option C. The Credential Store. Option D. Each user's Notes ID. The correct answer is option B. Russell has configured his IBM Domino web server for federated login. When he tries to open his IBM iNotes mailbox, he is redirected to authenticate with his identity provider's login site. His browser displays error "You are not authorized to perform this operation," and he is unable to open his iNotes mailbox. The Domino web server's log.nsf error message says bad SAML request. Where would Russell find the problem? Option A. IDP Catalog. Option B. Internet Site Document. Option C. Credential Store Application. Option D. Keyring file for the web server. The correct answer is option A. What does the IBM Domino administrator need to do to make sure version fault analyzer features are available and working? Option A. Make sure the design of the fault reports database is upgraded. Option B. Make sure the latest NSD 9.0 version is installed on all Domino servers. Option C. Make sure version 9.0 fault analyzer task is updated in the server tasks equals line in notes.ini. Option D. Make sure the server configuration document for the Domino server that has the fault analyzer task enabled is updated with the new features. The correct answer is option A.